So from here, 19, 55, and the profits. The profits we have. We have 95. It's 4, 8. Good afternoon, bro. Good afternoon. 18, 4, 8, 4, 8, 9, 5. Static profit 1. Then we have we have 4, 8, 8, 5, 4, 8, 4, 8, 8. So we should put out the profit 1, the 100 pips. Let's put out the profit 1 here. Then leave out the profit 2 somewhere here. The entry zone was from this fair value gap here. Stop loss is 5, 5. Okay. So, welcome everyone. We are still, I'm still sharing this live, but again, we gave this signal today, and I think those people who have entered in are now in profits. Yeah, people who have entered in are now in profits. I gave it earlier on to all the different groups that I'm in. And I'm sure many of you are in profits right now. I'm sure many of you are in profits. I'm sure many of you are in profits because that signal was saying our setup is sell, so zone is 49.28, 49.28 to 49.40. So this happens to be our sell zone. So this is actually those people are in right now. For me, 0.5 has given me like 300 days so far, $300. Good motivation yesterday on TikTok live. Thank you, bro. Should we enter? I deal with fear. I don't got you. Someone was saying, would you enter? I gave in this thing in time. If you could check the time I gave this signal, I think if you could check the time, my laptop time is 1 hour. This is in front, I think, by 1 hour, but I gave that signal at 14:11, and we have come live here at 14:35. I've been having it, of course, and I'm going to show you the reasons why we have entered this signal. We are live on YouTube. People have already made some profits. Give me 1 minute. Dero, jump to YouTube. Come to YouTube. We're having some lessons. So we are going to hold this setup till the New York session. Yeah, it's an intraday setup, and let me show you here. Apart from the screen that I gave, when you look at this zone, or when you look at this impulsive candle, let me show you here. We have a fair value gap at this point. Let me show it to you. So I already told you that we wait for the consequent encroachment, and when these people tap the consequent encroachment, they gave us some good pips. They gave us some from the consequent encroachment. It dropped down over 300 pips. So those people who have always been here on the lives, you could at least have ended the day with something by now. We are live on YouTube. Username STUARTFX Flipper. What time frame do you use? Bro, I use 15-minute time frame. I use 15-minute time frame. Yes. So now, this is what I want us to do. Our sell zone, I've put it down here, okay? And I'm going to write here our stop loss, which is and I'm also going to tell you how to enter, depending on your capital, because a person who has a small amount of capital, there are some zones that you should not do what you should not enter from. Yeah, if you have small capital, there are some zones that you should highly avoid. Stop loss is 40 here, 955. I think you can see it here. I gave it out. This is the stop loss. The profits are here, but right now I put this take profits for people who are probably swing traders. So now since we are here and we want some scalps, we want some scalp trades, we shall put our take profits like TP1 to 200 pips, something like that, or 150 pips will be enough. Yeah, then those who will decide to swing the trade, I think for them they will hold. Zones for setting in trading view. I've already set these zones. I've already set these zones here, and after setting these zones, I think you can clearly see, because we are live trading, right? You can clearly see the zones. Yeah, take profit one. I think it's what we shall consider at first. Take profit one, I decided to we put it at like some good pips. And if you don't know how to calculate pips here, you can use this tool here. It's called the forecast and measurement tool. It's always on the trading view, free of charge. So that's what we use to. That's what I use to calculate the pips. That's what I use to calculate the pips. I just tap in it here. I come and be like, okay, my take profit one. How many pips like will I, So that's what I use normally. So now take profit one. Let me calculate from the start, from 28 here, something like 150, 170 pips. This setup is just good. Let's just hold it actually. The good thing we are live on YouTube. Yes, I'll be telling you like now we have reached the some take profit 1 or some take profit 2. Who is in buys with me? Which pay? I'm on XAUSD and we're live on YouTube. Username is STUARTFX Flipper. Someone who said you joined late, it's you who decided to join late because I've shared this signal in the free Telegram community, okay, and people have already entered, and I think people have already. They're like, bro, I'm teaching, and then you like you want me to give you this platform for 1 minute. I'm teaching, okay. Can I sell now? If it is at the entries, I gave you these entries in the Telegram. The entries are here. So do what you want to do, and you also look on the entries that I gave out. Because these entries, I target the stop losses. How often do you do this? I do this on a daily basis. You can check on the replays that we have. I've been doing these lives I do them from Monday to Friday, because that's when markets are open. I support your sale. Me too. I had one same idea, yeah. And many people are having, everyone has his own opinion, but this is my opinion here. And he ate and he blocked me after eating. He blocked you. Now, bro, you're saying that Stuart, I trusted your friend with my money. Which friend of mine? Man, I don't have friends. I don't have friends. So now you want to use my platform to attack other people? No, my platform is for only teaching focus. It's focused on teaching, not attacking people. Can we enter now? Yeah, you can, because it is still the same signal here that we have, and this signal I want it to work intraday. I also have the buy setup. By the buy setup, they have to first break the ASL, and they have to first close above 49.58. Yeah. Oh, that person who asked that, can he buy now? Now, this depends on how much capital you're having on your account. Yeah, if your account is small, then you have to wait for at least some rate. Now you say our entry was my entry here is what 49.40. Of course, even this is another entry. But if your capital is small, I don't advise you to enter. Okay, or if you enter with a small lot size. Yeah. I love the way you handle every situation, man. Keep up. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. That's Motor Trading System, bro. How are you? You're good. Yeah. What time is it? I think it is cropping to very soon, and we are yet to enter in the New York session. We shall expect some volatility in that session. Meanwhile, okay, let's first wait for people to get this signal here. Then we shall also look at other pairs. We shall also get some setups. Hello here. We are live on YouTube. We are trading live on YouTube. We are trading till the New York session. We are trading till the New York session. I'm so sorry. There's something I've observed. Are you saying in our telegram here, our cell zone is 4928? And then me, when I was typing, I put 4920. The good thing, the things have been here, man. I shared the correct signal, but here in typing, I think I made a mistake. Sorry about it. And you people were not telling me. That means some people here are not observant, man. You people are not observant. Yeah, as it is in our telegram, you can see the cell zone is 4928 to that. Then the SL is that. Yeah, I think that it makes more sense. Makes more sense. Can I get the link to your telegram group? Bro, the link is in that YouTube description. You could check. The link is there. Or you could search Freewave Forex Academy. Yeah, Freewave Forex Academy. You could get this. It's free. It's a free group. We are live on YouTube. Username is STUARTFX Reaper. And also our free telegram group or free telegram channel is Freewave Forex Academy. We are making profits right now. Big ups. Thanks, bro. People are benefiting from these sessions that we are having. Yeah. We are making profits. Yo, excuse me. What? I'm a broker, I'm on my soca, calamari for stars. I can't let her broke, I left for the roadside full of pajama. I'm calling my bitch, she trying to be too sweet, let's not step like Prada. She wanna know my ETA, I got 2 days, I'm a little bit late. My diamonds natural, I'm letting it rain. Can I please get a section indicator? Bro. Can get it, of course, link in bio. Stuart, you're the best man. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Stuart, you trade on. Yeah, I trade XOUSD, of course. And when you search the username on YouTube, right, we are live right now, and we're having in chats and moving trades. Yeah, username is STUARTFX Reaper. You're having in some good signal here. I can't put it on TikTok because they will ban my account. They took my big account just because of showing chat, so we have to use YouTube. I'm in the right direction, I didn't need no Google Maps. So Stuart, yo bro, how are you, Papa? Yes, Papa. That was bro, how are you? Can I enter for Sol now? The signal is there, bro. The signal is there. Yeah. Oh man, it's dropping. It has already given us some good amounts, but right now, let me even tell you, the people who entered from 2028, 2029, they have made some good profits so far, bro. You know, 0.5 giving you 1M plus, man, like 1.2. That's something big. That's something big. Yeah. Thanks, fam. I broke my account yesterday. I'm on demo for now as I work on myself again. Yeah, bro. You should learn the strategy. You should perfect it also so you could go back to the live account. Mm. I'll take the name is hard agency. Thanks for sharing this live, bro. We are live on YouTube and we're having some good signal moving. And I shared it before for people to enter in earlier. I first share them in the group of Forex Academy, then we come here and trade them live. Yeah. You guys, you're welcome, bro. Wasinga, thanks, bro. Thanks, Mr. Opago. Let's have in some questions down here on YouTube. I want to, you should answer in some questions. You could check this whole week, this week's see the signals that we have been having. Where are they? We had this signal. We had this signal. I don't know. We had this one yesterday. Made profits, and when you check on the poll, the anonymous poll that we put, if people are benefiting or they're not benefiting, or we should improve. So 15% of the people say that we should improve. I don't know what are we going to improve on. Then 85% say that yeah, the signals have and the analysis has been hopeful, and we should do more this week. Everything is in this Telegram channel. You can see the signals that we have been having. They have all been perfect. I've been getting uh, people have been like using them in the correct way. As long as you use them the way I've told you that you should use them. And thanks, we hit 3K yesterday on our YouTube. I hit 3K subscribers. Yeah, that's good. And we had a massive live yesterday which had over 10K people watching it. So this is today's signal. I gave her the setup and I told people the entry levels you could check. I told them that we have we scalp in the 15-minute time frame, and it's the best time frame that I use on my side. And I told them that looking to sell the retracement after a strong bearish move. Remember, when you check or when you observe, we had a strong bearish move. So now I don't want to fight the trend. That's why you see that I'm having that. I was like, okay, let me look for my sell zone. Let me look for my sell zone, and I have in more sales so that I don't fight the trend. So you could see my buyers have told you that it is gold is bearish as long as the price stays below 49.58. So if it breaks that level, then we are going to target 50, 50, 35, 50 something. We shall target buys now. Yeah, but so far that's my observation. So people join on on TikTok. You could join on YouTube here because we are having in we're having in re-entries here. Yeah, but bro, thanks for this opportunity. Now we can make money out of your signals, bruh. You're the only man Teraga, but thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks. Uh, thanks Nana. No, thanks Nana. Thanks Shaki. The names are hard. Ugandans, we have hard names nowadays. Yeah, we have to grow together as a community. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and also put in and also like join the free Telegram channel, which is STUARTFX Academy. Coming very soon. Okay. Good afternoon, Stuart from Eric. Bro, today it seems you've come late, a bit late than usual, but how are you, bro? Which indicator do you use that shows sessions? That's a long story, but link in bio. That's a long story because even if like because we program these things, so even if I just give it to you like that, like bro, you get it, you can't use it. It will be a wastage of time. Which pair? Monex or USD? What the definition of gold is buying and emptying of our accounts. Oh, sorry, bro. Kasim. What is the day, Abraham? Good. I'm good. We're having in some good signal here, and it's moving on YouTube. Username is STUARTFX Flipper. You could go subscribe. Yeah. Mentorship, sir. Yeah, link in bio. Physical mentorship, a bit expensive, but it's not actually expensive depending on the knowledge that I'm going to give you. Then I also have the online mentorship. So you could check how we are rejecting our zone here. I didn't buy those sales YouTube. We are trading XAUUSD today, and we always share these signals in the STUARTFX Academy. So, okay, let's make some small analysis here. Let's make some analysis here. So, as I told you, yesterday we had a strong bearish what? We had some strong bearish momentum, okay? And you could see these strong sells here. Let me mark them for you. We're having these sells here. We're having sells from let's say now this point, because now this is 15 minute time frame. We're having a sell up to this level here, and market try to be like coming back up again. And here I could also sell from this one because I'm having that fair value gap that I could mark, but this was just a retracement like the one it's doing right now, and we had in a very strong sell. Okay. uh, okay, we had in a very strong sell here. I think the same sell here. So now we are having again the retracement, and that's why we are like, okay, and this deep retracement. Remember, I told you we should always target the fair value gap zones, and when you look here, and this retracement zone that this thing made here, this big retracement zone had in a fair value gap. So yeah, okay, it could also drop from here. Now those people who are saying that let's enter in now, I think now you what, you know what to do right now. Let me add in some few here. So people on YouTube here are missing all this new session signal that we are we're having. And I don't know if I had if I type here, you guys could observe what I will type. Let me try. And the reason for the sell I'm late because I've been on the road. Okay, bro. But you're not late for the entries now. You're not late for the entries now. Because the reason for the sell is that we had a strong bearish move. Now, if you had a strong bearish move, what does it mean? We are live on YouTube. Username STUARTFX Flipper. Now here, how are you? So I think you guys, you could see the re-entry here. Let's take the re-entry together. Proper risk management. Which broker do you recommend, bro? Link in bio. I have a good broker. You know, I'll explain the types of brokers that we use. Well, there are brokers who manipulate. There are brokers who don't take you direct to the markets. Yeah. So they keep on adjusting the spreads the way they want. So hope you can check the re-entry that we are having now. Our zones now, they are on market is on 40, 39. So we'll check, we're in the zone. Hey guys, hello, how are you?
Yo, I find myself just spinning a block and I don't know why. I really wish I could see you more, but I ain't got time. So many hoes out here, glad I can call you mine. I don't even get in the way, I wanna see you shine. You look better without no makeup, TBH. Becoming a part of my
Bro, read my idea, please. White idea. We are resetting the New York midnight open and we drop. Yeah, it could be a good idea. But again, I told you, because the midnight open is at 49.56. So if again they go up to 49.58, it means we shall be looking at what? At buys if they break that level. Okay. So guys, I think you can see. Yeah. Now those people with small capital, you could now enter. You could enter also. Let me add in more also on my side. We are trading on live on YouTube and we're having a moving signal right now. Could you guys search for STUARTFX Flipper, or you can tap the link in bio to get our free Telegram channel. Central sent in the background. The guy might not make money. We're having in a live signal on YouTube, username STUARTFX Flipper. You could also guys share this live to your friends, because this signal is just starting right now. Let them not miss. Yeah. Let your friends not miss. Try to share it. So those people were asking, can we still enter? Can we still do what? Here you can see what's going on. Mentor, you look tired today. Yeah, I slept late, but remember I told you that we have to, grow as a community. So if I'm if I'm like I'm going to make the lives every day, I don't want to miss any single session for you guys. Yeah, because I could enter in my trades and sleep, but I slept late. I was live yesterday to like I was at like 3 a.m. man, and I made some analysis. I made some content. So of course I have to be tired. Bro, you're talking about people with less than $10. Put in 0.01, bro, and we sell the thing with a move. But but right now, this is a sniper. And you guys know, you're not even appreciative enough. This is a sniper signal, bro. And when you check our entry level here, we have done this thing live, and at least our people have got profits of 50 pips now. Bro, you know what means to get a signal 50 pips? Like profits of 50 pips when it is a sniper signal. It's something hard. If you observe, many people put even the first take profit at 50 pips. They put their final take profit at 100 pips. But me, I could give you even like 200 pips. You understand? Yeah. Please get for some CRT entries on gold. I've not got you. Yeah, people with smaller accounts, enter in. Yeah. Don't forget the ASL, which we have there. Yeah. Kind of Fury, AMD. I combine a lot of strategies to get these entries here. Yeah. I combine a lot of strategies because you can't survive in these markets with only one strategy like this.
she ain't talking about no business.
Brief about funded accounts. Yeah, I recommend funded accounts, but I told you I'm still trading. I'm having in like 10 funded accounts that are moving from different funded brokers. But I told you I want to recommend something when I've also realized that on my trading conditions, these rules are manageable, and also the way they draw, at least they are not rejected. Yeah, that's this. Yeah, and I have been ranked in the top refunds today. Oh man, I see. Yeah, I see. Man, you're is active. Yeah, man, I really want to know how BTMM works, Stuart. Okay, uh, how am I going to show it to you right now? Because I wanted to add it in here. Man, if I add it in here, bro, huh? You could observe, you could see how it coordinates with my stuff. Because now I normally use the BTMM in the MT5, but I didn't want to disorganize this chart here. But if I added in like 102 moving averages, man, you don't know. You could see how they coordinate with this work. I'm having money for requirements or what I first deposit and enter this trade. If money is for requirements and it's for school, don't enter in, bro. Don't enter your tuition money. Don't enter. Don't enter if your money is not shows off. You feel you have pressure with the money. Don't trade it, please. Hello, my friends here on TikTok. We are live and we're having entries here. We're live on YouTube and username is STUARTFX Flipper, and the free Telegram channel is Flipwave Forex Academy, and the link is on bio. When you check on my bio, you will see that link. Yeah, let's grow together as a community. Let's grow together as a community. The markets are slow, yes, and let's now check today if we have any news on that Forex Factory here. Forex Factory. Let's check if you have any news today on our calendar. Because news are funny. News are always funny. Always change. Are we having any news today? Let's check. Let's check for today. 1 minute ago. And I'll also tell you about the news that you guys should give attention. I seeing like this these news that always have the red thing here. So when it has this yellow thing, I don't know what they call this thing here. But how can I term it as? Okay, button. Let me call them buttons. If you see, or when you check on your phone and check on Forex Factory, and you find that news have this thing here, this yellow button, it means that the news are less volatile. When the button is gray, it means that those news are not volatile at all. But when you see that it is red, you could also check your CPI and NFPs and those volatile those what volatile news. You could see that they have this red thing here, which means that they are very volatile. They are very volatile. They are very volatile. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. This is what we're talking about. Gold is a bit spiking. Gold is still, so gold is spike, but it is in the same thing. It doesn't scare. Okay, now what I was talking about in the forex factory, that's where you have to check whether you have news that day or that time that you know you're having the you're having in entries. And when you check that forex factory, I told you Rock says one day this live will have more than 10k viewers. Thanks, bro. I'm sure it will have more than 10k. And when you look, today is 17th. I think today is 17th, and it's a Tuesday. You could see the news that we are having today. We are live on YouTube, people on TikTok. Username is STUARTFX Flipper. We are live on YouTube. We'll be live every single day, as long as it's a trading day. We'll be live on the London and New York session. So guys, when you look at this gray button here on our calendar, I told you when it has gray here, it is either bank holiday like today. I think in Chinese yen they have the bank holiday. That's why you see that it is gray, and it means that there is too little or no volatility in those trades. So when you look at this yellow button here, you could also search. You could also look here. They have low impact expected. So when it is when the buttons are in yellow, it means low impact expected in that news. Now, like for Audi, which I think it even happened today morning. Yeah, it happened, and it was raw impact. It was raw impact expected. I think that's what also happened. Even for the GPI, for the GPY, that's the Japanese yen, and it was at 7:30 a.m. and also there we had low impact expected, and could see. So for the GBP, they had the climate count change, and as I told you, when it is in red, it means that high impact is expected. So in most cases, if your heart can't handle like pressure or stress, you could always leave the high impact news. Now when you see this orange, it means that there is medium what impact expected. We are live on YouTube. Username is STUARTFX Flipper, and we are having in live trades. Yeah, we'll be having in these live trades every day. Now for this gold at 3:30 we have nothing. Then yeah, at 4:40 we have the CPI, the card CPI. Yeah, So at 4:30, I think someone could, differ from those pairs. Now, what we are seeing here on gold, we don't have volatility right now. Okay, so as we wait for volatility and some other sessions, people on YouTube, you could, Mike, I'm good, bro. You could commit some other pairs. At least we check on other pairs as we wait for gold. What other pairs can we look at? Someone said accumulation manipulation distribution. Yeah, that's AMD, bro. So at where I'm call. Thanks, Christian. Thanks, Christian. What lots would you advise for the $50 account for risk management? For risk management, you can even use 0.02. Yeah, if you don't want to risk. Ah, man. Murana, bro, you talked about silver, man. Man, I really go for those pairs. I really go for those pairs. But you people like those pairs. I don't know where you get that energy. Let's go and make some analysis on it. Okay. Okay. GBP USD. Someone has given us a signal. We don't know where. I don't know whether he's right about the signal. Yes. Showing us. Bro, you talked about silver. That's XEG USD. Okay. Bro, silver is going to buy because on my observation here that I have, the candle close, the 15-minute candles have made some good confirmations. And first comment below, bro. Were you buying, or did you want to buy or sell silver? First tell me, bro, in the comment section here. Did you want to buy or sell silver? Bro, are you buying or selling silver so that I also give you my signal? Are you buying or selling silver? I have in some zones here. Mran, I'm waiting for your reply, bro. Are you buying or selling silver? I don't know if my network is low. Hello, my TikTok people. We are live on YouTube, and we are trading the New York session. Username is STUARTFX Flipper, and when you check that link in bio, we have a free Telegram community. If you want to learn how to trade forex trading, yeah, bro. Short-term sell. For silver, bro, I'm seeing some buys. I'm seeing some buys from some points here. Now, that thing of short-term sells, unless it's you who tells us maybe from this zone or this zone, but on my side, I see buys. Yeah, I see buys on silver. I see buys, and buys have already moved from my confirmation. These buys have moved from for some pips now. Like, what are these? Are these 32 pips or? I don't know my trade save. Are these 32 pips, bro? Stuart, you're so humble. Yeah, I'm humble. I'm humble. Bro, I'm seeing short-term buys. I'm seeing some buys actually. Yeah, I'm seeing some buys. Let's go for GBP USD. Stuart doesn't. Silver. Coordinate with gold. Man, I used to think that also when I was just a beginner. But Oh man, which signal did I think, yeah, they didn't hit my entries. I thought I made some losses. Yeah. Okay. When you look at GBP USD right now, someone commented GBP USD. The first things I'll come and see, I'll see when these guys uh, they opened, they made the Asian lows here, they made the London high today, and at the close, I told you we get the midnight open candle at the close of the 50-minute Asian close, okay? And they mark the they mark the midnight open, and in most cases we tell people that you should look for buys when they trade below the midnight open, but it's not a must that it has to be like that always. Okay, now if it's not a must, when I do some small or some simple analysis here, I'll check that we had of course I told you guys you have to consider these fair value gaps. Okay, so we had in one here, and when we had in one here, we had in forex trading is simple, it's very simple, but it's you guys that make forex trading hard. Now I've been teaching these things all along. So you see some liquidity grab here and then this sell. So that person who told us that GBP USD is selling, yeah, you were right if you entered from those zones. But again, I should also consider that these guys have come to now sweep the what? The London low. And what shall we have there? Shall we continue with buys or sells? Maka Johnson, some Johnson, I don't know why. What's making you laugh today? I don't know, because is it because my English is perfect? Just that I don't show off. Let me also check on my phone analysis here for the GBP USD, and then I'll comment more. So, bro, for silver actually has come back to the richest point, man. So, if you're having in sales, you might be right. Yeah. So, GBP USD, yeah, as I told you, I think whenever I use my phone like this, there are some things that I have in my phone and I don't put them here when I'm teaching. So that's why I can't give. I be seeing the zones, but Uh, I don't just give conclusions before I cross check. So when I cross check here, I told you about that zone that these guys have come back to sweep the London what? The London lows there, and if they do, and then they close above the 15-minute candles close above, might get sales from there. No buys, sorry. So sell if you were selling from that point, then yeah, it's good. So when we're talking about gold here, gold is still in the same zone. Eri awo tesalawo bulungi, eri awo bwekyo bwekyo. Yeah. So check on not bro. It's about when you told the guy that I used to think that XAU and Safer move together as a beginner. So, bro, you talked about USD card. Let's observe USD card. Let's observe USD card. Man, these pairs are always funny to me. So now, bro, I'm saying this pair, there is no way unless you're on higher time frames, eh? But man, now when you see where this pair is, bro, eh? I think you should just wait for news. That's what I can tell you, because we have news today at around 4:30. Now news will make this pair to move any direction. But for now, it is just consolidating. I can't advise you to enter any trade from where it is right now. Give us the settings, bro. Link in bio. Link in bio. So we can also look at USDJPY here. Okay, thank you. Let me close my salesman. No, you could set in break even. You could set in break even so that even if market comes back, you're safe. Or if even if they don't come back, even if they go your way, you're also safe. So I don't want you to leave your analysis that you've trusted to jump onto my analysis. But it's what I say, me as me. But I also make losses, bro. So I'm not just perfect like that. I'm not perfect in forex trading. No one is perfect. What happened to our centros in the background? But I removed it because they might want sometimes they take my life away because of copyright. So when we talk on US oil, let's first see US oil here. I want us to get a good entry at least, which is moving. I want us to make some money here because gold is in the gold is at the entry point. It's just there, the entry point so far. I don't know what it is waiting for. When you check on gold here, it is on the entry point. It's just there, giving in some small amounts. I don't know. So hope you can see gold is just there. So there is not, it's not moving. But I think it will give us some good amount. Because so far, let me check on my phone and I tell you. So far, of course, the 0.5 that I entered on a thing, it is just on $100 of profits. That's a small amount. Yeah. So my people, we are live on YouTube. Username is STUARTFX Fripper, and I will be we'll be trading the London and New York sessions every single day. Okay, yeah. And our free Telegram channel, the link is in bio. The link is in bio of TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. Yeah. So, bro, oh, gold is dropping. We are suffering some small amounts, man. I'm having in blues here. I'm having in blues. There's no way I can share it here, but I'm having in blues. Okay, let's get another signal. Amateur can't fail. About what? You had a setup. The amateur can't fail. Yeah, Kasure. But I think it's not always easy to get set up. So if it's now easy for you, you're lucky. You're lucky. You're lucky. So guys, could we take it for another 1 hour? Because I've been here for now 1 hour and 1 minute. My people on YouTube, are you tired, or we could take it for another 1 hour? You could comment down below. If you're tired, then we relax. If you're not yet tired, we could take it for other 2 hours. For another 1 hour. I can't take it for 2 hours. Let me get something to drink here. Get some water. What lot size would you advise for a $50 account for risk management? Use 0.02. We go another 1 hour. Okay, bro. Let's go another 1 hour. Yeah. I think that's when gold will give us something serious, because now you see it gives us like 30 pips. It comes back the entry. It gives us, it's just they are confusing people now, confusing buyers and sellers at the same time, because it knows there are people who bought from this zone here and they are still holding. You get? So that's what gold does. It always manipulates. It can be manipulating buyers or sellers. You understand? We come back at 16:30. No, we are still here. We are still here for another 1 hour. Yeah, because now if you say 16:30, we just remain with like 45 minutes research time. So, and I might not come back because I feel like I want to sleep. Last time I gave out a GBP-JPY pair, GBP-JPY signal. Man, it was a perfect one. It moved some good pips. I don't know if today I'm having any moving signal about it. Let me check here. Man, it also dropped. It also dropped from these zones here. And let's see if today we have any signal. If that candle closes in a bearish, then we are getting a massive sale, of course, bro. Yeah, that one I agree with you. We get massive sales. That's what I can tell you. On gold, I know you're talking about gold. So when you talk about GBP-JPY, hey, my people on TikTok, we are live on YouTube. Username STUARTFX Flipper, and we'll be having in live sessions every single day. And if you want to learn forex trading from start, the link is in bio. You could join that Telegram community, which is Flipwave Forex Academy. And someone commented, it's now time we sell gold. Of course, now we are in 40 pips of profits, but let's first focus on other pairs, because gold is. So I'm checking on GBP-JPY. As I told you, I'll be having my final decisions on my phone here, because there are some things I turn off that I don't want people to get. So for GBP-JPY, bro, it is still dropping. I'm saying it's still dropping to a level which is 207 point something like 29. Yeah, it is still dropping, but I can't advise someone to sell from there. I can't advise anyone to sell from there, but of course it could, make some good amount from there. So for GBP-JPY, you don't have any signal right now. We don't have any signal right now on GBP-JPY. We are kind of late. Yeah. Removing people on TikTok will gold sell. Bro, come on YouTube and see what we have. Or join the link in the bio to see the signal that is dropped. Okay, another one is CAD-JPY. CAD-JPY is dropping. I think to buy, and remember we have the CAD CPI. So for these ones, you need to be, aware of what you're going to, aware of what you're going to trade here. So let's talk of BTC JPY. Yes, STUARTFX official, bro. How are you? How are you, big man? So for BTC JPY, when you check BTC JPY, it's in dropping momentum, but that signal has already left us, so there is no way we could jump on it. There's no way we could jump on that BTC USD. But is this BTC USD? Let me show you this thing here. If this was a perfect FVG, then you guys won't be demanding me anything. Are you seeing here? Now, I've told these things. I think I should just stop now teaching these things because they are just perfect and working. Huh? They're just perfect and working. I've told these things about these things several times, but you could check now. BTC dropped from this zone. It had in a massive sell, but remember it left in this big candle where we get a fair value gap. So when market dropped into the cost encroachment, it sold. BTC sold from that cost encroachment, and it's still dropping for about these pips here. How many pips are these? Those people who trade BTC for some good pips. Let me show you the pips. You see, gold has dropped from that cost encroachment, and I've been teaching people about to get these levels here. Now, when it reached the cost encroachment, it dropped. It dropped. It dropped from there. And then people be like, these lives are hopeful. People are just not aware about them. You can take it, Stuart. What can you take, Dennis? Mr. Dennis Sevandeke. Rafat said, how are you? Said, what's up? I'm good, bro. How are you doing? Hope you're good too. My main pair that I trade, and my people here, my VIP is $20, but starting from next month, it's going to be free of charge once you use the broker that I will recommend. Yeah, now VIPs are no longer paid for paying. VIPs are free of charge, and we do these things on a daily basis. Let me tell you one thing, guys. It's you people who don't want to make money with me, because if I be like, man, I'm going to be giving you these free setups. I come here, give a gold signal, we get the gold signal from start, we make money. Now, like this signal here, let me show you this signal here. You see this signal, I gave it here. We are trading it live on YouTube. We are making money, and I've not told you to pay any single coin to take these trades. It's then up to you guys that you don't want to make money with me, or you don't want because you people the only things that can stop me from trading live with you is maybe a few people. If I be having now few people here, I'll just quit. That's why I'm like, you could share to your friends so that we could benefit from this free information here. Yeah, so I could tell you when I check on my phone here, 0.5 is giving me like $230 every 0.5 that I have, man. It's giving me some good amount, man. So serious. And these signals are free. Just use the link in bio to register. Then everything here becomes free. Oh man, this signal is dropping. Hope you guys have seen what it means, to know how to trade. And for me, when I put my SL, that's my SL, bro. If they hit it, that I just accept. And we are lucky that since I started these YouTube live sessions, they have never hit my SL. They have been hitting take profits. Yeah. When is your next session, mentor? Bro, I be having in these sessions every single day. Every day. London and New York session. Yeah. London and New York session. So subscribe to the channel, join the free Forex Academy, so you could have in these free sessions. Yeah. We have to grow together, we have to make money. But we have card news and it's always affect USD on gold. Wakugenda mpola kuba the news will buy for XUSD. That's from Nanathanis. So bro, telling us that gold will buy for XAUSD. Okay. If we could take your advice, then it's okay. We shall set break events. We shall set break evens on our entries. Yeah. Hey Stuart, how are you? How are you, Zim? You could come on my YouTube. We live trade together. Username STUARTFX Fripper. Even if you put STUARTFX, they'll bring me. Eh. Alan FX said, I'm on YouTube. I'm asking how also have the indicator for sessions for the chart. But Alan, I don't remember. Were you in my mentorship? I don't know. Because you had to be with it if you're there. Okay, this is what we're having today. Okay, when you look on gold is dropping, gold is getting us some good amounts, but again, it's not like moving. It's not. As long as we are in profits. Yeah. My people on YouTube, anything else you would like me to look at? So, do you only use FVGs? No, it's only that it's one of the simplest things that I could give out freely to you because my mentorship is paid for. Yeah, gold is too hot to handle. Yeah, it's not too hot to handle because we're having in some profits. Gold is not too hot to handle as long as you know what to do. I think you can see. Man, we have been here and we are making money from this thing here. We are making money. We have made some good pips from the entry zone. I feel like gold had to first tap into the 1 hour order block before selling. Okay, that's from Stu Ma. The name is hard. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Zim. Don't forget, we are making money on YouTube. Username is STUARTFX Flipper. We'll be having in these sessions every single day. Yeah, every single day. So, guys, do we have people? Ah, man, the thing is dropping and we're making some good amount. Do you have people do you have people from Kenya, from Tanzania? You could comment down below if you're from South Africa. We are making money on YouTube. Okay, now we shall come back later because I always want us to be here for 1 hour. I get tired quickly. Let's hold in the gold trades. I'm sure to give us some good amount. So that's it for now. Yeah, I'm going to be communicating about the signal in what in my Telegram group, which is STUARTFX Academy. So if you've not joined yet, you could join. Which site do you recommend for gold fundamentals? You could use Forex Factory. Yeah, you could use Forex Factory. So what about Uganda? Uganda man. I already know that I have Ugandans here, so I already know I have Ugandans. Uh, we have moved 100 pips from the entry. So some people you could if you have a small account, you could secure some and or set some break even because these 100 pips are hard to get on gold. You have to get perfectly on gold. Yeah, they're hard to get perfectly on gold. We are making money on gold. We are making money on gold. We are making money on gold. Man, this is a perfect setup that we are having. This is a perfect setup. Perfect one. You use bots for trades. Remember, I code bots for myself. and I code them myself. And right now I'm not using a bot, I'm using my own analysis. Yeah, because I code bots from my own analysis. So my people, I think you can see we're making some good amounts. So okay, Stuart, I'm gonna trade your signals till I get money for mentorship money. It's okay. Yeah, we shall grow together. Yeah, my signals are going to be free of charge. They are no longer going to be paid for. Uh, yes, you're going to just use my broker that I trade with. I'll provide the link, and my signals will no longer be paid for only $20 per month, but they're going to be free of charge. Yeah. Guys, I don't know if I could, if I don't know if I share my screen here, they won't block my account. We are making money on YouTube. We are making money on this setup, man. We are making some good amount. So when you check here, this is the signal I dropped in this free Telegram community. I share this signal here, and we are trading live on YouTube. We have some few people here. We are trading live on YouTube, and this thing is dropping and giving us money. It has so far dropped 140 pips of profits. You could see I gave all the reason why gold is selling, and the SL and then the entry levels, and we are making money with it. Yeah, people are just thanking me here, and this thing is still dropping down. So tap the link in the bio or the link on this video to join us. Jungle Cycle. Hey Freepa, how are you, bro? Yeah, it was post because I was making some small video. We are making money, bro. Kabaka from day one. Yeah, thanks, bro. Man, you're making some good amounts. Share this live to your friends so that we could grow together. I'm a beginner, but I believe one day I'll make it. Of course, bro. Once you don't give up, you will make it. You'll make it, of course. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and the username is STUARTFX Freepa. Yeah. If you want a free Telegram community where you can learn forex trading, and where you can learn the strategies that I use, or some good profitable strategies, you could search on Freepwave Forex Academy. So my people on YouTube, let's please hold let's please put in some break evens. Yeah, and those people who feel like they can't risk that much, you've moved like 140 pips. That's good amount. That's good amounts. And you could also share the profits, or you could share the screenshot profits in my FreeWave Telegram channel, so that we could show people that we're making something here. Or you could share them in my WhatsApp inbox. Oh man, this thing is dropping, bro. Hey Stuart, I joined late and I'm sorry to ask, how have you analyzed before execution of these threads? Okay, one of the things that I can tell you is that the reason for sell is here. We had a strong bearish move, which I showed people here, and now I waited for the retracement and I got in some other entries to enter in. Yeah, and that's why we have this entry here now. And when you put it in 5 minute, bro, it's dropping big. It's dropping. So my for TikTok, I'm now closing, and if you want us to continue, you'll come on our live, on our YouTube live, which is STUARTFX Fripper. Yeah. Okay. How much is your mentorship? Bro, you could inbox, we talk about that. How much my mentorship is. I don't discuss prices publicly. We are making money. We're making money. We're making money. We're making money. Making money. We're making money. Stuart, I want to learn how to use the blueberry and other indicators. Yeah, bro, you could join me, then you'll learn about it. That's the BTMM strategy, man. Mpulira bulungi leero. Man, guys, hope you can see what they call forex trading, bro. You could see these candles now. You could see these candles, bro. Man, signal is moving. When you check here, so guys, you could see how much we're making so far. It's free. Guys, you could see how we're doing it right now. Yeah, thanks, bro. And don't forget that I dropped this signal here in our channel here, a Flipwave channel here. Also gave the reasons why it will sell, so I don't want you to forget that. So join that channel, will be getting those signals on a daily basis. Let's move, man. This is the best move we have got today. That's what I can tell you. It's a very, very good move. But it should be set. Yeah, people, don't forget to set the break even. Thanks, bro, for making us remember about the break even. I watched how it started. Great work. Thanks, bro. Yeah. So that's how things are. We need to reach our TP, bro. I can't guarantee about take profits, but the issue is like, have we got some money? Wait. So guys, this is it. This is it. Thanks, bro. Some of us, we are just from primary to secondary, and we are now working to buy your course. Yeah. Now can some now some can pay for mentorship when he or she knows what he is adding in this slave trading. Yeah. Hope you've seen, guys. Aries do legit work. That's what I can tell you. Aries do legit work. Aries know how to, squeeze the markets. Bro, how much is mentorship? My mentorship online classes are $170, then physical classes are now $400. So people, hope you can see, man. You know how many people we are in right now? We're in right now from the entry to here. We are in two, bro. We're in 280 pips so far. 280 pips, man. That's good money for someone, bro. We're in 280 pips. Oh my god. 280 pips. Now someone is saying, hey sir, uh following you since last 4 days. I've started work of professional at setup overlays and all for professional creators. Man, okay, thanks. Stuart, yeah, thanks, bro. I know you know the market. Someone said, Stuart, you're the real market god. But the only bad thing, you put God of big letters, man. God might punish me for that. There's some guy who's always talking like this. We're making money. We're making money. Hey, I've started a work of professional OBS step setup overlays and all for professional creators. Oh, like that's what you do. Like I don't understand. Like what do you mean about that? What do you mean about that? Haha, touched here, you will understand. Bro, we're making money. 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 Yeah, hope we have made some money today, guys. Okay. We have made some money today, and I think let's Should we end there, guys, or you still you still want us to be? Ah, what's your advice, bro? We wait for TP? No, man. You've got over 300 pips. What do you still want in the market, man? Do you know what 300 pips means? It means lot one has given you $3,000. Now, what else do you want? Eh? Even someone with a small amount who has put 0.01 in $10 has made over $30. What else do you want? You can hold, but it's riskier, man. You've made some good amount. Why do you need to hold that long? Hmm? Buys are trying to kick in. We have made money. Even if they kick it now, we have made money. It's enough. It's enough. We have made money, bro. What lot size do you recommend for a 50 lot account? Bro, you ranked number 3 today. That question is from Eric. And I would recommend like 0.02. Now, if you put 0.02 today on this setup, if you had $50, now you would have made like over $60. Okay, and how much were you risking? You were risking like $20, and you've made $60. So that's a risk. That's a risk reward of 1 to 2. Is it a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3? Okay, that's a risk reward of 1 to 3, man. That's a risk reward. That's a risk reward of 1 to 3. Yeah. So my people, that's it for today. We should now continue from there tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to use the link in bio to join the Telegram community. Yeah. Someone is said that he's telling his friends that they should close if they're still in. Yeah, people, you should close. We're having news. We're having news in 6 minutes. Let's hold and see. But in this news that we are having, let me even type it down here so that people will know that I told you. We have in news, but the news are for card. Close some news at 4:30. They don't scare that much. They don't scare that much. They don't scare that much. But I'm like, let's close. Yeah. We're making money, we're making money, we have made money, bro. We have made money. So we are just waiting to see how the news will react. But we have already made money. We have already made money. Now I'm going to give you a good trading platform after the live here. Yeah, I'll get you the recommended broker. How many minutes to news? 3 minutes to news. So we're just watching because we have already made the money. How many minutes to news? 2 minutes. Are we still here, my people on YouTube? I don't know if you guys are now offline. Are you still here, you people? Yeah, a few people are still here. We're just waiting. We already closed. We're just now just waiting for the news to play out. But do you know how I feel? You know how making a setup and it works out. Huh? Of course, I be doing these things every day, but bro, many traders out there can't go for live trading. I'm sure. Yeah, that's what I can tell you. Okay, I think I just did in this case today. So many keep pushing with the lives demonstrated us. Okay, bro. Thanks. Okay. We are no serious impact, guys. There's no serious impact apart from the CAD JPY pairs. Let's search on CAD JPY here. Someone asked about USD CAD. You see, now that pair was that those news were affecting the CAD mostly, so you could check. There's no big effect on gold. So you could see CAD JPY, USD JPY for it bought. Yeah, so that's it. But again, sorry, it's advised you stay away from the high impact news. You never know what can happen. You never know what can happen. These are chats. No one, no one has final say about chats. And people have made money here. Even these people in my account management have made money. We have made money today. And at what time does the live start? At someone asked at what time that starts. We trade the London session and New York session, so you should always be in the groups. So you should get the links that I share. Nana, you said no effect. Yeah, I told you, man. There's no effect. There's no serious effect. Man, thing is dropping, eh? Thing is dropping, bro. Think this is enough for today. It's enough for today. Yeah, my people, that's enough for today. Hey Stuart, will the recording be available? So, bro, the recording is going to be available. Of course, after here, you watch the replay. Yeah, you're going to watch the replay. So, are we only from Uganda? The people are here. Do we have any people from Kenya? Any people from? I think that's enough for today, my people.